around for thousands of years, and it helps people to balance your energy. And when you think about health, health is really about balancing the functions of the body and the different organs in the body. And these movements were designed to bring that balance for you. And so sometimes when you're not feeling real great, you do a little bit of movement, 5 minutes of movement, especially when it's designed in this way, and you'll notice improvement.
May is right around the corner, and May is fibromyalgia month.
Aha!
So are there any contraindications to performing these exercises? Say if I have a fibromyalgia patient?
Well, fibromyalgia, often there is pain and stiffness, and then also the energy person tends to be tired. So actually, this would be very good, but do it according, if you want to just start with a little bit, start with a few minutes. You can just do like 5 minutes or 10 minutes a day. The ideal for every day is 20 minutes, and you should feel some big improvement, but even 10 minutes, your body will start to change and feel better. And your moods will improve too. Sometimes when someone is angry, they say, go for a walk.
Right.
Same thing, do your Tai Chi,
right,
and you'll feel much better. I was studying at the Qigong Research Hospital in China, and my teacher was in his 80s. He was showing us, first of all, our breathing. So the baseline of the practice is breathing, and by doing this breathing and doing it regularly, so he really recommended that 20 minutes a day, some kind of a practice, 20 minutes a day, and your energy starts to build. Well, his energy was amazing, and we would be seated in a classroom. Each of us was sitting on a block of wood, and he would send us energy while we were meditating and breathing. And all of a sudden, we got thrown backwards like bowling balls. And he was 15 feet away from us. And this actually, we each experienced a huge release of tension and energy in our body. And later I felt really good, but it was an amazing experience. And he had never put his hands on us. Fire. Weights on the right, pull the left in, and whoa. Go from fire to water. Shui. Water our roots. Now we go to wood or the tree, which is mu. We go to Jing, which is gold, or you could say metal. Inhale. From metal we go to earth. Two is earth. Gather your nourishing energy. And two. Funnel in all that good energy from above. And now let the energy come up from the earth, just like a tree absorbs energy. We're bringing the energy through every cell of the body and around us as well. And then touch your head, inhale, and whoo. Embrace the tiger. Open to everyone else and return to your mountain. Repeat. Now the other leg back. One up, one down. This is fire. Gather that fire. Fire also can burn out, like a fever burns out illness. So step, go, wah. Flame goes up. Water or shui comes down. Bringing you peace. Hydrating every cell. Water your roots. And now we go to the tree or wood, which is mu. And the tree looks out. And then I'm going to pivot. And then turn. And the reason we turn is the tree has branches all around it. Reaching out, sending kindness, sending gentleness. So you see the trees around me, they have many more arms than I do. From the tree we go to Jing, which is gold. Reach behind. Think of the sun coming up behind the mountain and then line up. Bringing in what is golden for you, golden thoughts, resources. Inhale. This is for the lungs and large intestine. Really breathe that in. Inhale, open, and ah. Take a breath. Inhale. And from metal or Jing we go to earth, which is two. And that's what nourishes you. Good food, good friends, music, fun, books, movies. Inhale nature. Inhale, bring that nurturing energy in and then say two. And then funnel in all those blessings again. No, they're coming right back to you. And the arms drop down, and now the energy slowly comes up from below you and all around you. Nurturing every cell. And then come up, inhale, and two. And embrace tiger. Open your heart to everyone and return to your mountain. And then we make a moon and a sun, which represents the opposites. And you bow, thanking all those who have been helping everyone in the world, including our Dr. Rick, sun and moon change, touch your heart center, and then we bow to everyone in our practice. If you're by yourself, just think of those around you. And then go to your belly and massage your belly. Move your tongue in your mouth, rubbing your tongue, getting some saliva. This helps your gums and your digestion. And when you get enough saliva, then swallow. And then bow to yourself, thank yourself for taking the time to do this. And then we want to let go of any worry or stress. Fan so is let go. Fan so, fan so, fan so, fan so. I want to mention to have some water when you're doing your practice. Have a little water around, and then drink some afterwards. Staying hydrated is so important for your body, for your muscles, and for your brain.
How can they reach you? How can subscribers or people watching reach you, Renee?
You can call, well, first of all, we have a website, The Light Heart Center. The light, just like you're turning a light bulb on, Heart Center, and that's in Winfield, Illinois. Do a search and you'll find us. I'll give it to you also now, 630-352-9097. Bring up good energy from the earth. That's what we're doing. We're bringing energy through every cell of our body, with just a little bit of a spiraling up. Thank you, everybody. Be well.